G'day folks, welcome to the show. We've ridden from Tulla through to Wynyard, down through the Hellier Gorge. Hell yeah! What a great ride that is. I didn't document any of it. Just trying to get my head right after yesterday's proceedings, so just a short ride today. We're going to go and do a bit of sightseeing around the Wynyard area and see if we can't check in early, go and have a feed, have a bit of a look around the northwest, in the northwest. Sorry, I think my voice dropped away on me then, I think. Anyway, check back, grab yourself a bevy of course and enjoy the show.
There you go, Paul. Come on, the bogan. Launceston bogan. Ready? We're all going to go. Come on. 2, 3. Mike.
Where the country meets the ocean. Well, Bass Strait anyway. You could pop up over this hill here and get a view of the coast. No, not that hill. Hold on, Bert, you dickhead. Might be this corner. Maybe. That's the one. That's the one. Not sure whether you'll see that on the GoPro. The water to the sunrise, to the horizon, to the sunrise. Okay, now. But still a great riding road all the way through to Wynyard. There's that view that I was talking about. Probably still can't see it on the GoPro. Welcome to Wynyard. Okay, so this is our accommodation for Saturday night. My neighbour's pair. Hey. So this is the room. Bit of space. And we get water. Keep hydrated on us. Lovely. High tech. Shower and bathroom. Shit ton. There's a microwave. I'm assuming there's a kettle. Yep, kettle and toaster. Lovely. Some outside chairs and an extra blanket. Nice. So there you go. Saturday night in Wynyard. Let's see what mischief we can't get into tonight. Cheers. because Tony's not here. There's no need to change his routines. Okay folks, hope you enjoyed that. That's the ride for 2025. Well, hopefully there'll be more rides, but that's this ride that we do annually. It may look very different next year, we'll just have to wait and see. We will see you next time. Let's go.